Greetings everyone, welcome back to Sephiroth and Sypha's channel! Yeah! Alright, so today what I have is the Epic Evolution Megalosaurus and the Dominion Chopper. It is a Rajasaurus from Dominion. It came with a helicopter. I believe it is a chase, something like that. Don't remember. I think this is only a Walmart exclusive right here. The green one, the green Rajasaurus. So there's the DNA scan for this guy. There you go. You push it, it chomps. You push it. There you go. Meanwhile, this Epic Evolution is you have the wheel on their back. It chomps down. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna. Reason I brought these two out because we have the new Jurassic World Rebirth AUCASAURus. It is the second wave now. We finally have it. We're gonna unbox it. Still sealed. There you go. I'm not familiar with this dinosaur. Okay, so here's the back. Is it getting darker? Okay. So we don't have any of these yet, but this stew is already on the way. I haven't ordered the Megalosaurus yet. I'm sure they'll have this in Target pretty soon. Alright, so let's unbox this new second wave Wild Roar. Alright, pretty cool. It looks menacing right there. Alright, let's check it out. Let's take out the tail as well. Nice. Let's take the box over there. Let's put the tail in. Yeah. Okay. Has really small arms like a carnivores. Okay, really cool stuff. So you can move up and down the tail and twist it. There we go. Up, down. Super cool thing. This color. I might get another one for repaint because it doesn't have a variant yet. A new species from Mattel. Also, good news that I already have ordered the San Diego Convention Crasher Tyrannosaurus Rex. I already have one, and if you go there Mattel Creations right now, it's already sold out. It's crazy fast. So lucky we found one. Just in time. Okay. What else? Look at... Yeah, it has really tiny arms, like a Crucinatosaurus and the Carnivores. Alright guys. There you go. Okay, let's listen to that sound. There's the DNA scan for you guys. There you go, you can scan that. You can also use your hand. You can twist it. Alright. That's it for today. Okay guys, thank you so much. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, that's right. Subscribe to our channel for more great dino content. And that's pretty much it for today. Take care now guys. Thank you again. Bye.